So we're down here at the little secret pond we fish at, and we're gonna test Roxy's rig that she did on video yesterday, or actually it was today, but we're gonna post it tomorrow. Right now she's getting the little boat ready that sits down here because it rained and it's just now stopping, so she's got to get the water out of the boat. Lots of good debris here to fish around as far as trees. You can see this big one, right? The whole pond is really secluded. Not many people come here, so a lot of good fish. We like to test all our fishing in here, especially for bluegill. I'll be back when we get in the water. Okay, so we're gonna fish from shore right here. Reason being is there's a nice log pile right here if you can see it. Now, those log piles are a great place to have the kids cast anywhere really close to shore. The bluegill usually are going to be right on the shore, kind of staying away from the big fish, even though they're hiding there too, but they can hide better in all these weeds and debris. So Roxy's going to try casting it right in that wood pile over there where Sebastian's at. That's good. Now in the last video we showed how the bobbers lay flat, and with no sinker you see how the bobber's laying flat. That's going to help when it comes to catching these fish. Let me see if I can zoom in on that bobber. Oh, Roxy's pulling it in already. Okay. Nice cast. Let me zoom in. I don't know how that's going to work on this. I jerk your bobber. I see it. It's right there next to that log. So it again is laying. There it goes. Look at, they took it already, Roxy. You got to get on that.
You have to very carefully.
Give it a little twitch. See if he comes back. The twitch will make the worm seem more alive. So generally they're going to come right back.
This feeder right here.
Oh, Sebastian caught a leaf fish.
There's a giant feeder right here.
My dad just caught a fish. Ooh, a big bluegill. Let me get a close up on this. This is a big bluegill and it's very
I got to measure how long he is. He's got to be at least 6 inches. He's 7. He's 7 1/4 long, so he's a keeper.
If you like fish, you can eat fish. Yes, if you like fish, you can try some. We like bluegill. We do eat bass. You're allowed to eat bass. Catfish, Dada?
Sebastian all going
Dada,
on
can we eat bass?
Yeah.
No, can we eat catfish in my face?
Hold on. Hey, baby. Let me put a worm on there for you. Okay, here's Sebastian going at it. He's got a bite. Ooh, I think he got one. I can't see over him. Okay, let's see how big he is.